Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today another cracking unboxing with this beauty, guys. Dungeonext just sent me this big box and it's absolutely awesome, heavy. I'm so excited. Stay tuned. This box will finish in the Dungeon Overkill series, guys. Let's check it out together. A lot of love in this package. So I will just move the box and I will just take out the single pieces on the table for you guys. My god, they are very heavy. Okay guys, the box is full. This seems a huge set to me. Oh my god, Max, you are crazy, man. There are so many. Okay, and this is the last one. Little disclaimer, guys. I met Massimiliano Usmeci from Dungeonext during the last Modena play. We have a little interview, you can check it here on the corner. You have the link to the video. And he was kind enough to send me, a bunch of pieces. These are a lot of them. But disclaimer, guys, he sent me nothing that is actually the finished product. Dungeonext has a very high standard quality. These are scrap pieces. So these are just pieces he was, keeping in house. They maybe have some defect. They have some little problem in casting, stuff like that. But for me, it was more than enough to check the quality, general, aspect and general looking of the pieces. And for me, it's just important to have a lot of material because we are going to dive into Overkill, my dungeon, okay? Let's check some of these pieces. I think these are normal tiles, 2x2, and yes, these are like, but the quality is unbelievable. Okay, you can see this is a little bit not very good on this. These are very nice. I don't know why to consider this a scrap piece. Okay, this maybe has some problem on the button, but the aspect is unbelievably good, guys. I'm checking already respect to my tiles. Okay, so tiles, let me see more tiles if I can find some of them. Other tiles, let me check this. Okay, these are with some debris. Oh my god, guys, you need to see this from a closer look. Okay, I will show you immediately now. Okay, just let me open some of them. Beautiful tiles. Then we have little pillars. Look at this. Nice. And this is a tile, corner tile with the wall. And again, it's unbelievably detailed, guys. The level, the amount of detail is incredible. Just beautiful. Really, Max, I don't see what is the problem here. This is like what? It's not raising, this one. It's like plaster or something like that. Very heavy, very nice. Another one. Nice quality pieces, guys. This is like a ruined corner. Let's check this one. Okay, this is a column, like a pillar. Look at that, beautiful. Nice. This one. Okay, this is an archway. This is very interesting, guys. Look at this. Okay, so you have a beautiful passage. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice. Let me open something else and then I will show you in details, okay? Okay, you can see this one, for example, is a little bit bent. So it's like open like a V, but it's quite beautiful anyway. Okay, this one is a diagonal wall. This is very, very clever, Max. Yes, Massimiliano realized these dungeons in a way that you can basically reproduce the D&D, maps. So this is a diagonal one.
One of the best ways to support this channel is to shout through my Amazon affiliate links. If you click on the link on the description box below, you will find a list of products I love and recommend. By clicking on the link of your country, you can make purchases directly on Amazon, allowing me to obtain from Amazon a small, very small percentage on the sale of the product. Nothing changes for you, but for me is all the support of the world. Take a look.
Look the amount of packaging, guys. Max loves his pieces. Why is this like this? This is a little broken corner. Maybe during the... Okay, we can fix this immediately. During the transportation. A little piece fell off. Let's fix it. So the count of damage is just 1 till now, huh? No problem. Everything is good, everything is okay. Very nice. Let's continue. Oh, this is a beautiful pillar, like an Egyptian one. Very nice. And his brother here. Very, guys. The amount of details, it's mental. It's mental. Crazy man. Let's continue. Oh, this I love very much. It's a wall full of details. Let's put it here. Another long wall, another detailed wall. Beautiful. So some of the pieces are a little bit bended, so I think that's the reason why Max discarded. Oh, this is a beautiful little stair. We like stairs, you know that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. More tiles, more corridors. Look this one, guys. This is a diagonal wall, 4 inches by 2 inches, more or less, you see? These are very interesting pieces for create some, not regular environments. Other pillars. And that's it. Let's put this in order and then we can have a beautiful check on all these beautiful pieces. Crack on. You can see the amount of details, guys. The texture is unbelievable, very nice done. Look at this one. But in my opinion, the parts that show a lot of muscle are this one. This kind of corners, you see these niches, this niche. These diagonal walls that allow you to make a lot of different kind of maps. Look at these stairs. Look at this. This is the beginning of a great journey, guys. I will paint them all and I will create a great set for the Dungeon Overkill series. Thanks to Massimiliano Musmeci for this big gift, and remember to show him a little bit of love. I put the link of Dungeonext in the description box below. Show him some love, okay? These are great sets, guys, and it's worth it to have them in your collection. I assure you guys, it's something unbelievable. The feeling that you have with the weight of these pieces that are in hard resin and the amount of details, guys, is unbelievable. I can't wait to paint them all and show you my beautiful Overkill dungeon set. Till next time, happy crafting!